Pollinators, like bees, are vital to our ecosystems, fertilizing as they fly from bud to bud. Thought only to thrive in rural areas, a new study finds city living is just as plentiful for them. Researchers in the UK examined 3 locations: urban, farmland, and nature reserves. Urban areas were found to be more diverse, containing 83% of non-native plants. They also were found to produce the same amount of nectar as the lush countryside. In his book, The Flower Yard, Growing Flamboyant Flowers, Arthur Parkinson advocates that even the smallest patio, stoop, or windowsill can be home to a biodiverse garden. The project includes the active participation of over 7,000 local people living within the park.
If all you've got is a balcony or doorstep, this book will be a help to you if you want to grow flowers, both to look at, to cut, and to attract bees and to smell. Everything's in here.
Scientists are optimistic that this trend of urban gardening will continue to grow, providing an abundant food supply for pollinators, essential for our planet's biodiversity.